to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you an essential oil recipe that will help you feeling more relaxed and less anxious. But before I start, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that every time I post a video you will be notified. So let's get started. So you're going to need some frankincense and some lavender and some wild orange and a diffuser. I've already put some water in, and all you're going to need is 2 drops of frankincense. Here we are. And 2 drops of lavender and 2 drops of wild orange. Because we're putting wild orange, I wouldn't advise you to use that recipe before going to bed, because wild orange has a tendency of uplifting you, making you feel happier. So just use this recipe during the day. And also, if you're pregnant or if you have a child under the age of 1, please check with your GP if that's okay. And there you are. Just you can leave it on during the day and just allow it to breathe in so that you can help reduce your level of anxiety. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm looking forward to the next video.